We adapted. We created. We were kind. But we didn't stop there. We listened. We cared. We made a difference. We stood together. Because although this virus may keep us apart, kindness will keep us together.